So how long have you worked here?
10 years. I was employee number 2 when this thing started. We didn't have a building. We didn't have a company. We had some PDFs and we had a vision. And so, yeah, 2015 is when we started. We moved to this building in 2016, worked from home initially, had to figure out CRM, ERP, stock, what to stock, building, kind of all of it. It's been neat. Every year it's been something different, something new. This is our inventory. So half the building is dedicated to just stock. And we carry up to 100 horsepower in stock. We carry up to 12-inch pumps in stock. We just know in this industry, you gotta have parts and availability. And so we dedicate half the building to that and service. Here we got some diesel pumps that are ready to ship. Carry 4, 6, 8-inch pumps. Very efficient, large solid passage. So when you're in an emergency situation, you gotta make sure your pump is running and can pass the solids and it's not gonna clog. And that's our product line, Super Betsy. It's a diesel pump unit.
What are these?
These are just some of the motors that have come in that are gonna be assembled. We make our own motor because of the extra loading of the impeller, the radial and a thrust loading. We make our own motors. So they're heavy duty, oil-cooled motors that can be used in a wet well or in a dry application where there's potential for flooding. So these motors can run even after a flooding event. So here is the inventory that is ready to pick. So we have a dedicated pump can pick from one section. You can pick your impeller. And these are all of our impellers, single vane, screw centrifugal. Every product we make from 2-inch to 28-inch discharge is a single vane screw centrifugal.
How
It's
heavy
heavy, a little heavy.
Okay.
And so we pick the impellers, we pick the liners. We have high chrome liners that last in an abrasive application, and in an irregular application, they just really extend the service life of your pump. Lead times are critical. So a lot of our product is in stock, it's ready to ship. So if you got to pump down an emergency situation, or you just need a pump for a new project in a quickly and timely manner, we have the product in stock. All right, so here we have the only pump that we make that comes in a box. It's a little 2-inch pump. Everything else is kind of custom designed, custom engineered for you. This pump comes in a box ready to go. It's a 2-inch pump that can pump 2-inch solids.
It's still in the box. You can't
Still
see
in a
it
box. It's the only Hidrostal you'll be able to get in a box. We do our sandblasting here. So we get our parts before painting. We take them to sandblasting. Then we got a little prep area here. Then we do our own painting. Here's some stock that's coming in, ready to be distributed or moved to orders. And then we have a whole service and repair section here. Whether it's local or nationally, we bring the pumps in, inspect them, and then put them here so they can be repaired. So looking here is a dry pit submersible pump, 8-inch. That's gonna be installed on concrete piers, and it's gonna allow you to put the pump in. There's no extended shaft, no extended motor, nice compact design, and if the station ever floods, this pump will continue to run as long as the electrical power is up above. You don't have to worry about it. If the station floods, power's down, water recedes, put the pump back in power, and you can run. You don't have to worry about any replacing any fans, worrying about bearing damage, nothing. This thing is protected for flooding. Packing, prepping. So here we have 3 different assembly bays. We assemble the product, then we take it to testing over there, and then package it and ship it out to the customers. So we have 3 different bays for assembly, made in the USA. So this is our test floor. We can test up to 20-inch pumps using 4, 8, 6-inch flow meters here. We can do submergence testing over here. And then this tank is used for NPSHR testing. We can pull a full vacuum and test when the pump breaks the head condition and determine what is the net positive suction head required. What's interesting is this thing we designed from scratch. It's movable, it's got wheels, it's a frac tank. There's actual wheels behind it. This thing could leave the building and be transported. And it's really a nice compact design that allows us to test all of our product, to confirm performance, to confirm vibration, and to say what we're providing is exactly what we're providing. So what these are pre-install self-cleaning wet well system. What this basin allows you to do is drain your station completely. So all the fats, oils, and grease get removed from your collections, from your influent wet well. And this thing comes on a steel frame, ready to be grouted, and the location of the anchor bolts are set up, so it's ready to go. The contractor drops it in place, forms it out, and grouts it.